Hey guys, welcome back to Consumer Heaven. If you love coffee as much as I do, you know the right espresso machine can totally change your mornings. But finding the perfect one can be overwhelming with so many options. So today, I'm counting down my top 5 espresso machines you can grab on Amazon right now. These are machines that give you solid value, great performance, and that cafe-level taste right in your kitchen. I've added the latest and best Amazon deals for every product featured in this list. You'll find them in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Let's get started. Number 5. Nespresso Virtuo Next by DeLonghi. At number 5, we've got the Nespresso Virtuo Next. Now, this machine is all about simplicity and convenience. You literally just pop in a capsule, hit a button, and you've got espresso with that gorgeous crema on top. The best part? It uses centrifusion technology, which spins the capsule super fast to extract flavor evenly. So whether you want a single espresso shot or a full 14-ounce cup of coffee, it adjusts automatically. It's also one of the slimmest machines Nespresso makes, so if you've got limited counter space, it's perfect. Honestly, I recommend this for people who love the taste of espresso but don't want to deal with grinding beans, tamping, or cleaning a portafilter every day. Plug it in, brew, and you're good to go. Number 4. DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso Machine. Number 4 is the DeLonghi Stilosa. This one is super budget-friendly, but don't let the price fool you, it makes a solid cup of espresso. Here's what I like. It has a 15-bar pump, which is more than enough to pull a rich espresso shot. It's manual, so yeah, you'll need to grind your beans and tamp them yourself, but that's part of the fun if you're just starting out. It also comes with a manual milk frother, so you can make cappuccinos and lattes pretty easily. It's compact, doesn't hog counter space, and honestly, for beginners who want to get into the espresso game without spending $500, this is a gem. If you're on a budget or buying your first machine, the Stilosa is the way to go. Number 3. Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with Latte Go. Alright, number 3 is where things start to feel really premium. The Philips 3200 series is a fully automatic machine that does literally everything for you. It has a touch display that lets you pick between espresso, cappuccino, latte macchiato, americano, or even just hot water for tea. You push a button and it grinds, brews, and froths the milk automatically. The real highlight is the Latte Go milk system. It's one of the easiest frothers I've ever seen. No tubes, no mess, you just rinse it under the tap and it's clean. Plus, it has a 12-step adjustable grinder built in so you can fine-tune your coffee strength and flavor. This machine is for people who want cafe-quality drinks at home without learning all the barista skills. It's definitely an investment, but if you drink multiple lattes or cappuccinos daily, it's worth every penny. Number 2. Breville Barista Express BES 870XL. At number 2, we have a true classic, the Breville Barista Express. If you ask any coffee enthusiast in the US what machine to start with, they'll probably mention this one. Here's why. It's a semi-automatic machine with a built-in conical burr grinder. That means you grind fresh beans right into the portafilter and then pull your shot. The grind size, amount, and tamping are all up to you, which gives you total control. It has a 15-bar Italian pump, a steam wand for milk frothing, and a pressure gauge so you can see if you're brewing correctly. Yes, there's a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be making coffee house quality lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites at home. This is for people who love the process of making coffee as much as the taste. Honestly, it feels like a barista training tool right in your kitchen. Number 1. Casa Brews CM5418 Espresso Machine 20 bar. And finally, number 1 is the Casa Brews CM5418 Espresso Machine. This machine surprised me big time. First off, it's got a 20-bar pressure system, which is more powerful than most machines at this price point. That means stronger extraction and richer flavor. It has a milk frother built in, and it's surprisingly good at making silky foam for cappuccinos and lattes. Plus, the water tank is removable and easy to refill, which makes daily use way smoother. What I really love is the value. You're getting performance that's close to machines that cost double, but at a much friendlier price. If you're someone who wants real espresso at home, but doesn't want to drop $700, this is the best bang for your buck option right now. So that's my list of the top 5 espresso machines available right now. Whether you want the one-button simplicity of the Nespresso, the beginner-friendly Stylosa, the automatic luxury of the Philips, the barista-level Breville, or the crazy value of the Casa Brews, there's something here for everyone. I've dropped Amazon links for each machine down below so you can check the current deals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe to Consumer Heaven for more honest product reviews, and let me know in the comments, what's your coffee style? Are you team latte, cappuccino, or straight espresso? Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay caffeinated!